Hello kids, today we are going to learn about festivals. We celebrate many festivals, we pray and have fun during festivals. In India, we celebrate two types of festivals. First, national festivals and second, religious festivals. First, national festivals are celebrated all over the country. Our national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year, Republic Day on 26th January every year, and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Now let us take a look our national festivals in details. First, Independence Day. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. India became independent on this day. It is one of the most important days in Indian history. A long time ago, India was ruled by the British. For many years, our freedom fighters fought hard. We became independent on 15th August 1947. Every year on this day, we remember all our freedom fighters who gave their lives for the nation on Independence Day. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi. He makes her speech and asks all of us to salute the country by saying Jai Hind. Flags are hoisted across the country in all the cities, towns, villages, and schools. Second, Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. India became republic on 26 January 1915. A grand parade is held at Rajpath in Delhi. School children and folk dancers from different parts of countries participate in the parade. Lots of people come to see this parade. Colorful parade. The President of India hoists the national flag. We salute the national flag. Flag hosting is followed by the cultural programs all over the country. Third, Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. India got freedom under the leadership of Gandhiji. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. A prayer meeting is held at Gandhiji Samadhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. The President, the Prime Minister, and other dignity visit Rajghat. They offer prayers and flowers at his Samadhi. Our national leaders pay homage to Gandhiji by singing bhajans. Gandhiji is known as Father of Nation. Children lovingly call him Bapu. Gandhiji believed in peace and non-violence. Second festival is religious festivals. Some common religious festivals are Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Guru Purnima, Navratri, Dashera, Pongal, Onam, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Makar Sankranti, Gudi Padwa, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi. Now let us take a look at our religious festivals in details. Diwali is the festival of lights. On this day we decorate our houses with oil lamps, diyas, candles or bulbs, rangoli and flowers. It is generally a 5-day celebration. Each day has significant meaning. We worship goddess Lakshmi on the day of Lakshmi Pujan. People distribute gifts and sweets to each other. Children enjoy fireworks and crackers. We eat sweets and have lot of fun. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Usually it is celebrated for 2 days in most part of India. The bonfire is lit on the night of first day, which is known as Holika Darshan. On second day, people play with different colors. They put gulal and throw color water on each other. The second day is called the Rang Panchami. People greet each other and offer sweets. Eid ul Fitr. Eid is an important religious festival celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated after a whole month of fasting, which is called Ramjan. On the last day of Ramjan, people come out to see the beautiful moon. People go to mosque to offer their prayers called namaz. They all wear new clothes and greet each other and say Eid Mubarak. Savaiya are the special dish on this day. Christmas. Christmas is a grand festival of Christian. It is celebrated on 25th December every year all over world. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Churches are decorated on this day. On Christmas evening, people decorated Christmas tree at home. Small children wait for Santa Claus to give them gifts. We enjoy the Christmas cake. Guru Parv. Guru Parv is celebrated to mark the birthdays of 10 Sikh Gurus. People decorate their house and go to Gurudwaras to pray. Big colorful processions are taken out. Gurudwaras are decorated with flowers and lights. A community lunch langar is served there. Navratri and Dashera. It is celebrated for 10 days. Navratri represents celebration of goddess Durga. The word Navratri means 9 nights in Sanskrit. Final 10th day is the Dasera. People play Garbha and Dandiya for 9 nights. Dashera is celebrated to mark of the victory of good over evil. On this day, Lord Ram killed Ravan, the Denim king of Lanka. The effigies of Ravan, his brother and his son are stuffed with crackers and are burned. In South India, people worship of goddess Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati during the Dashera. Pongal. Pongal is celebrated by the people of Tamil Nadu. In the month of January, they worship of the sun god, the rain god, their domestic animals, cows and bulls, etc. People prepare sweet rice called Pongal. Onam. Onam is a festival celebrated by people of Kerala. People worship the god. This is followed by a feast. The great attraction of this day is the boat race. These boats are called snake odi boat. On this festival, people of Kerala wear new clothes, have a grand meal served on banana leaves. Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri is celebrated as birthday of Lord Shiva. On this day, people go to temple and offer prayer to Lord Shiva. People generally fast on this day. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is festival of brother and sister in Hindu religion. Raksha Bandhan is bond of love and affection between brother and sister. On this day, sister tie the Rakhi on the right wrist of her brother. Rakhi is the sign of protection that brother promises towards his sister after tying the Rakhi. Brother gives his sister gifts. Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is also known as Kite Festival. It is generally celebrated on 14 January every year. People fly bright colored kites and distribute Tilgul laddus on this day. Gudi Padwa. Gudi Padwa is celebrated on the first day of the Hindu month Chaitra, and it is celebrated as New Year Day by Maharashtrians. A Gudi is raised to invite prosperity and good luck into the house. Traditionally, a paste of neem leaf, cumin seed, jaggery, and salt is eaten on this day. Janmashtami. Janmashtami is Hindu festival celebrated in remembrance of the birth of Lord Krishna. On this day, young people form small pyramid with colorful uniform to break dahi handi, which is tied a few feet high above the ground. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is a Hindu festival celebrated as the birthday of Lord Ganesha. It is celebrated all over India and widely in Maharashtra. People bring idols of Lord Ganesha and worship it. The duration of this festival varies from 1 to 10 days.